Hey guys. Welcome to my new channel called Robbie Lamb Does Stuff. It's not real. We're going to unbox this HyperVolt percussion massage device. We are not sponsored by HyperVolt. I just wanted to try this out. For those who don't know me, my name is Anna V. This is Robbie Lamb. My husband's name is Bobby. And we own a local yoga studio here in Houston, Texas. We also practice jiu-jitsu. I am currently a purple belt under GF Team Paradigm here in Houston, Texas, and my husband is a brown belt. And so with that said, we are always sore. And I'm 4 months postpartum, so we are deciding to open up this percussion massage device by HyperVolt. And I know there's many on Amazon and all that fun stuff, but we're reviewing this one today. All right, so when you open the box, I'm sorry, son. You want to sit in my lap? Boop, 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 boop. First and foremost, let's talk about the price. This was gifted to us, so I don't know what the price is. So if you don't have any gift restrictions or anything of that nature, after this review, I'll let you know what maybe price range would be the best bang for your buck. But I know this is on the higher end price range, and it does come in a cool fancy box, very sturdy, doesn't look half-assed. Robbie thinks it's cool looking. And when you open the box, first it has 2 magnets, and it's just a fold. It comes with cool instruction manual. I'm assuming that's what this is. I don't know. What does that say, son? It says HyperVolt? Yeah. Yeah. It comes with featuring quiet glide technology. The charger, of course, the HyperVolt itself, and that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of attachments. Look, son, look, you like the attachments? We like to call this one the enema, the fork. Whatever you do with your percussion at home is your own business. So if you want to use it for these things, you're welcome to do so. This one's called the clown nose. And this one's called the gear shifter. This one looks like the gear shifter in my car. When you take out the HyperVolt for the first time, it does have one on there already. It's quite heavy. Robbie, can you lift this, Robbie? No? Okay. It does say quick start, 1 power on. And the power on button is at the bottom of the HyperVolt. I know, son. Have a seat. Then you don't have to stand up. Right now, this one isn't charged, and I'm assuming yours won't be charged too when you get it. So that's what we'll do now. We will take a moment, take a little break, charge it, plug it into the wall, feed Robbie, and we'll get right back at you. So let's charge it for a few hours, and I will... So Bobby refuses to be in my videos. He doesn't want to say anything ever. We're just waiting for the HyperVolt to charge now. Your name is Bobby. You're a brown belt in jiu-jitsu. How cute. All right, stay tuned. And as we wait, I pretend to read. Look at me read. Flip, flip, flip. Kiss the baby. Read, read, read. All fake. Yay, and we're back. Welcome back. It's been a total of, I don't even know how many hours. Excuse my hair. I just finished competing. It's been more than 48 hours. It's more than 6 hours of charging. This is Robbie Lamb. Welcome back. We are going over the HyperVolt review unboxing. So I do have the real names of the heads. Okay, they're not the silly ones I made up. This one is called the fork. This one's called the fork. This one that's attached to it right now is called the bullet. We have a flat one. Looks like a little sledgehammer thingy. Round. As you would expect it, it's round. It is made out of foam, I thought it would be made out of plastic, but it's made out of foam. And cushion. This one's called the Cushion. Now, I've tried all 5, and for different surfaces of the body, I would recommend certain things. So if you're going for, if you have tight knots, so I have tight knots in my shoulders, I liked the Bullet. And as for the others, those are kind of personal preferences, because the fork is also good for your shoulders and traps, your deltoids, your quadriceps, the top of your thighs. Those feel really good. And on the, Rabbi, you want to play with the HyperVolt? And then on the actual HyperVolt itself, the back of it, the first thing you gotta do is charge it, which is what we did. Then, on the bottom, there is an on and off switch with the charge, and it is, of course, it's battery operated. I was looking at the voltage. It is a lithium-ion battery. On the bottom ring, it tells you the amount of charge on the. Sorry, son, I'll put this down on your face. Amount of charge on the actual volt itself. Do you want to sit over here, baby? All right. Well, Robbie Lamb's been really happy today. He woke up in a good mood. And then on the back of the Volt, this one says HyperIce. There is a top button that has 3 pulses. The first one obviously is the least intense, and then second is medium intense, and then 3 is the most intense. And then there's a battery indicator charge also here, and then right on top of it are these pressure indicators. So actually, if you press, it lights up, and how hard you press into the bolt, into it, changes the actual massage pressure indicator. I guess that's what that's called. All right, so I've been using my traps, and I've been doing about 2 to 5 minutes a day. My traps, my shoulders, my collarbones, deltoids. Yeah. Whatever you do, don't HyperIce, don't HyperVolt the babies. Okay. I just had a jiu-jitsu tournament yesterday, the IBJJF Houston Open, and everyone knows that your hands and your grips and your forearms are super sore, so I usually do my hands. The Bullet's really good for your hands, your forearms, and things of that nature. Overall, after I used it, I was incredibly sore. My neck was very tender, but it felt great. I was able to turn my head normally. For those who don't know, I tweaked my neck. Not in jiu-jitsu, just sleeping weird on a pillow. So yeah, overall, I would say I love this thing. I'm going to try to use it every night. My muscles feel great after recovery, and it just helps relieve all the tension in the fascia. It turns the muscles in my shoulders are always tense and up towards my ears, and what this does is, because it's nice and weighted, it relaxes my shoulders and everything. So you want to eat my hands? You want to eat my hands? So that's my review. I would give it, out of 5 stars, a 4.5. And the reason why I'm taking 0.5 off is I wish the battery life was a little bit better. I did use it a few times yesterday, after the tournament, and already it had turned yellow, the battery indicator, and I was like, man, I've only used it like 10 minutes. And I understand that the HyperVolt probably takes a lot of battery. It's literally doing percussion on your body, so it's taking a lot of power to do so. But yeah, maybe that's my only big issue. I love the weight. I think it's weighted correctly. It feels like I can use the weight to help add pressure. I love the different types of heads that came, the adapters that came with the Vault. Overall, I would give it a 4.5. Would I purchase it again? Would I recommend it to friends who do jiu-jitsu or yoga or any, bless you, physical activity? I would say yes. I or any type of massage, right? Anything that helps you recover. So overall, I really like it, and Robbie doesn't seem to mind it when I use it on my shoulders and feed him. But that's it for us for now. Stay tuned. We're going to upload videos about how I get ready for IBJJF local tournament. Thank you for tuning in. Blah! Blue.